All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandon back on Motor Nubs, and today is another V6 Mustang day. So if you didn't watch the first video, we went and got my wife a 2010 V6 Mustang, and it needs a little TLC. Got a decent deal on it, but the paint has some kind of greasy stuff on it. My cousin came over. He actually has a YouTube channel too, so I'll put his link down below. And he's going to be trying to bring this paint back to life. He does like the buffing and paint restoration, all that kind of stuff. I don't really know, but I'm hoping it works. He said no promises, but it should definitely look at least better. So I'll flip it around and we'll do a before and then do an after. I know on video it's always hard to get a good take on it, especially right now. It's a little overcast, but I have high hopes. Oh my, on video it actually looks pretty good, but let's get up close on it and show you what I'm talking about. It's like a film of something all over the car. And then there's a couple spots where the paint's been resprayed. So I'm hoping it just brings it back to life. See right here? It's just like lines of something on top of the paint. A little faded out right there. What are you thinking? This is Cole, by the way.
What's up?
Yeah. So Cole, what do you think? It's gonna come back?
I think it's gonna look good.
Okay.
I think we can bring it back.
Good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna just set the camera up and get a time lapse, and maybe we'll have some good stuff. I told him don't even worry about the wheels, because we got the wheels and tires coming in and suspension. That'll probably be the next video, so look out for that. All right, boom. So I got my cousin to tell me what he was using in case you guys were interested. He started off with the Adams Polishes car shampoo, just washing the car down, getting everything clean. And then he went with the Adams Polishes iron remover, because this car had a bunch of just all kinds of residue all over it. Then he started on with the Groit's Garage 3-in-1 compound for the buffer. And then he went back over it with the Groit's Garage complete compound. He also used the Black Magic back to black on all the trim pieces, because a lot of it was faded out really, really bad. And then he said he also used the Majestic Solutions Black Mamba sealant, and wham bam, thank you ma'am. So here we are after that, and he said I'm good to go ahead and wash it and wax it and treat it like normal now, because she is looking mighty fine, mighty fine. So I'm gonna let it do its thing and enjoy the video, guys. Later. All right, so I'm finishing out the video that I started from yesterday. Cole came over, and as you saw, he did like a paint correction on the car. We stripped it down. He did some compound, did some kind of wax, and then over top of everything, once it all dried, I put a spray wax on top of it as like a top coat wax. But this paint is still not perfect, but good gracious, does it look a million times better. Not only in person, but it actually looks really good on the camera too. So like the value of this car just, in my opinion, shot way up. A couple of the things that I still have to do, I need to get the rest of this residue from like the dealership where they stuck their sticker on there. We got a back panel coming in. We're gonna take the wart off the back. That's what this thing's called. It's like a fake gas cap. And then I need to do some top protectant and top restorer. It's like vinyl restorer to bring this thing back to like a solid black, because it's kind of grayed out and dried out right now. Also, of course, wheels and tires are coming in, suspension's coming in. I have not decided on tail lights. I really like the newer 2013, 2014 style tail lights, but they are kind of pricey. So that's where we're at the moment, guys. She's looking good. The glow up on this car is for real. But yeah, Wham bam, thank you ma'am. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Later.